Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain about some more numerical problems on coordinate geometry. Now see, here find the area of a triangle formed by the points on x, y axis and origin. So here we want to find the area of a triangle formed by point on x axis and point on y axis with origin. So that means points specifically not given. So any point on x axis and any point on y axis, this one point, suppose this is A, this is B and origin as O, this is already we know the coordinates of origin is 0, 0, these we know. So triangle formed by these 3 points is this one, like this. So now these 3 points, vertices are A, B, C. One O, coordinates of O is we know origin coordinates 0, 0. Then this also, any point on x axis is, this is used as a formula, generalized formula. So that's why, because on the x axis x value is there but y value is 0. On the x axis there is no y value. Like that on the y axis there is no x value. So 0, y. See, on the y axis only y value, no x value. On the x axis only x value, no y value. So that's why the coordinates are b is x0, a is 0, y. These are the coordinates. So now we want to find the area of the triangle formed by these 3 points. Okay. Now we know this is 90 degrees because the coordinate axis intersect at 90 degrees only. That we know. So axis means 90 degrees only. X axis, y axis, the angle between the x and y axis is always 90 degrees only. Therefore it is right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle we know area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is generally half into base into height. This is the area of any triangle, half into base into height. For normal triangles like that means suppose ABC, here base is this, height we should draw perpendicular. That height we should use. But here because it is right angle triangle, this only height. So this is already 90 degrees, which is taking 90 degrees to the base only height. So this is already with base 90 degrees. That's why this is height. So height is there, base is there. So half into BH, half into base B is OB distance and H OA distance. That gives the area of triangle. That means what? Now we have to calculate OA distance and OB distance. Or OA distance and OB distance. First, so now write. Let the triangle be formed by the points O 0, 0, A y, 0, y, B x, 0. We know, first only write that way. We know on x axis any point is on x axis any point is what? X, 0. On y axis any point is any point anywhere, that's why 0, y. Therefore the triangle is formed by the points. Now the triangle is formed by the points O 0, 0, A x, A is 0, y, B is x, 0. Now this is a triangle. Now we want base into height. Base means what? OB, distance OB. That means length of OB. Length of OB means right points. O is 0, 0, O points. B points x, 0. B points x, 0. So this length means what? Distance between 2 points formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of. Okay, here only x1, y1, x2, y2. Now substitute the values. x2 is x, x2 is x minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is 0, y1 is also 0. So that is only x square. This is 0 already. So this is mod of x. Plus or minus, that's why x square, root of any square is plus or minus, that's why. Now length of OA, points 0, 0, a point 0 comma y. So x1 here, y1, x2, y2. Again the distance x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of. Substitute. x2 is 0 minus x1 is 0 plus y2 is y minus y1 is 0 whole square. This is 0 and only y square under root, that is mod y. Now here area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Base is OB into OB base. Height is what? This is base B, this is height. OB is base of the triangle, OA is height of the triangle, OA. Now we know the values. Half into OB is mod x, that is mod y. So that is half mod xy square units. Square units. Area means square units. This is the formula. So this is like formula, just like derivation also we can do this. Find the area of the triangle formed by x, y axis and origin is this one. Anytime like this given means you will give the point because on x axis one point, this is 0 only, you will give x value, here give y value. So substituting that values, no need to do according to that formula. Directly of xy in formula only directly use. No need to do all these things. So that's why these all for derivation. So of xy anytime. If the points are on x axis and origin only, not other points, then only this formula is useful. When the 2 points are on the x axis, one point is origin. If the triangle is formed by those 3 points, then only of mod xy formula is useful, not in other points. This is not the formula for triangle of area of triangle for ordinary points, only these points, specific points. Now see another simple one. Find the distance of a point from origin. So this is also very easy one. So origin is there. This is 0, 0, P. Suppose O. Origin means O, you write. Any point P, x comma y take. So he is asking find the distance of a point from the origin. Anytime one point given, what is its distance from the origin means like one formula we are deriving. Here we are finding that length, but previous that means coming lessons it is used as formula. Whenever we want to find a distance of any point from the formula is, we can use this directly. Okay, now you know find the distance of the point from the origin. Let the point be, let the point be P x comma y. Origin O is 0, 0 we know. Therefore distance between, distance or length only asked. Find the distance. Okay, distance between the points. Which points? 0, 0 comma x comma y. So x1 y1 x2 y2 take. Distance between 2 points formula you know, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of. In this you substitute. x2 is x, minus x1 is 0, x1 is 0, plus y2 is y minus y1 is 0 whole square root. Here only x square, here only y square, root is there. Therefore the distance is what? X square plus y square under root mod. Because this is also, the distance is always positive. So whenever we want the distance between any point from the origin is x square plus y square under root, you write. I hope everyone understood this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.